Hello and welcome to yet another mockup tutorial where we learn how to add your design to a coffee cup. So let's get into Photoshop and see how it's done. Here we have the cup and here is the design that we have to place on it. So in the cup layer, first of all, we'll have to select the area where we want to place our design. Go to the toolbar and select the quick selection tool. You can choose any one as per your requirement. Select the area by clicking on it, and with the selection active, press Ctrl or Command J to copy it to a new layer. Now let's bring in our design here. Unlock it, go to Edit, Copy and paste it here. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. When done, right-click on the layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. As you do that, your image will be clipped inside the selection that we made. Change its blending mode to multiply. As you can see, our image has been placed perfectly to the mockup. To adjust it further, right-click on the layer and choose Blending options. Here, move the white slider of the underlying layer towards left. Press Alt or Option to break the slider and make the transition smooth. Adjust it, and when you are satisfied, hit OK. Now, to make it look more realistic, let's add the design to its reflection as well. For that, select the background layer. Choose Quick Selection tool from the toolbar and make a selection around the reflection. It's okay if it's not that perfect. When it's done with the selection active, press Ctrl or Command J to copy it to new layer. Bring the layer to the top. Copy the design layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J and bring this layer to the top as well. Press Ctrl or Command T, right click and choose Flip Vertical. Bring it down towards the selection. Adjust it. Right-click on the layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. As you do that, it will be clipped inside the reflection. Double-click on the blending options and edit it as per the image. When done, hit OK. Lower down its opacity a little to give it a more natural look. You can even change the fill amount to get better results. Now, select the reflection layer and click on the mask icon over here. From the toolbar, select a soft round brush. With black color selected, paint on the edges to give it a realistic look. And there we have our design placed realistically on a coffee cup mockup. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.